Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question 31 part A and B from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/2/3. The part A of question 31 says prove that secant cube theta upon secant square theta minus 1 plus cosec cube theta by cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to secant theta into cosec theta into sec theta plus cosec theta. Let's start from LHS. LHS is secant cube theta upon secant square theta minus 1 plus cosecant cube theta by cosec square theta minus 1. Let's retain sec cube theta as such. Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta plus cosec cube theta upon cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. I'm going to represent these quantities in terms of sine and cos. Sec cube theta can be written as 1 upon cos cube theta and tan square as sine square theta upon cos square theta, which goes on the numerator. Same way, cosec cube theta can be written as 1 upon sine cube theta and cot square theta is cos square theta upon sine square theta. The sine square theta goes to the numerator. Simplifying, we get 1 upon cos theta sine square theta plus 1 upon sine theta cos square theta. Here 1 upon cos theta can be written as sec theta and 1 upon sine square theta becomes cosec square theta plus 1 upon sine theta is cosec theta and 1 upon cos square theta is sec square theta. So from this we can take out 1 sec theta and 1 cosec theta as common, leaving behind cosec theta plus sec theta, which is the RHS. Since LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. The part B of question 31 says if sec alpha upon cosec beta is P and tan alpha upon cosec beta is Q, then prove that P square minus Q square times sec square alpha is equal to P square. So let's start with the LHS. LHS is P square minus Q square times sec square alpha. P is given as sec alpha upon cosec beta. Since it is P square, we have to square this quantity minus Q is tan alpha upon cosec beta. Since Q square, this quantity has to be squared times sec square alpha, which is sec square alpha upon cosec square beta minus tan square alpha upon cosec square beta times sec square alpha. Since the denominators are same, the numerator becomes sec square alpha minus tan square alpha upon cosec square beta times sec square alpha. Sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is 1 upon cosec square beta into sec square alpha. This can be written as sec alpha upon cosec beta the whole square, which is P square, and that is the right hand side that we had to prove. Since LHS is equal to RHS, hence the statement is proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.